Okay, sir. We'll start our session now.
Space. V volume. J JAWS. 88%. 72%. 80%. Escape. The lobby buys has joined. New site information title is HTTPS alt F4. Zoom meeting. Meeting. Menu. N. Meeting. On YouTube. Button on YouTube.
Okay, sir. Shall we start? Yes. Hi, very good evening once again, friends, and with you all once again. So today we are meeting up second day, and yesterday we have done that, but it is not success due to COVID and due to the pandemic, some personal issue. So welcome you all once again. Great auspicious for today. Today we would like to welcome your second internet class as well. Monday we thought to do that, but technical issue was not succeeded, which we have thought. So today one of my friend and my close friend, my guru, and even my everything to me, his name Shivaji sir. So he's from Hyderabad, and he's most expert and most technicians than me. And when I started my earlier, he done one Excel workshop also. That is huge success for him. That event, whatever we do the event, so he supported me a lot. Today he will be the host. He will take about the host today. So he will be the host, and he would like to inform you some most of the things about internet browsing, and he will also inform you today how to do the Google search and what are the advantages of Google search and how do we do the browsing with using Google. So he will be going to inform you people. So once again, I would like to welcome Shivaji sir. Welcome sir, we hardly welcome you, and welcome you people once again. You are all from hardly welcome you. So people are from different zones, north zone, east zone, south zone, west zone. So welcome you all once again. People are from different countries, so across the country, different states. So welcome you all once again. Thank you sir. Yes, I would like to call upon Shivaji sir today. Over to Shivaji sir to be the host of this small event. So even he will be the host today. I'm just only Zoom organizer, so everything is going to follow with this session today. And over to Shivaji sir once again. Yes sir.
Yeah, thank you, Rangasamy.
Thank you.
So now, anyway, good evening, everybody. So hope everybody are fine. And so today we'll be learning how to use Google search, and I'll teach you how to use some of the very useful shortcut keys, well, like headings, links, all those things. How we can use those lists and how we can get advantage from them. Okay, so let's start now. Before we start, do anybody have any doubts of the previous one, the previous session?
Yeah, anyone have, please raise your hand. So we're going to unmute you.
Yeah.
Can you just raise your hand, please?
Okay, I think everybody are fine. So anyway, we'll continue with the today's thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So fine. Now okay, well, so now I'll go to Google Chrome and we'll search for something.
Window list dialog. Backup and start. Microsoft register. Post attendee dash zoom enter. Post it. Alt home. Title is new tab. G O O press G E period C O M enter google.com selected Google Chrome
Okay, well, when we open the Google page,
escape virtual PC
so let's see what we can see on the Google page now first.
Google
So first we'll explore this, then we'll go for search.
link Gmail
So on the top left, we have
Google link Gmail
Gmail.
link images
There are links to Gmail, the apps from Google.
link Gmail
So Gmail,
link images
images,
Google Apps button collapsed
Google Apps. There are more apps here. We can see.
Google
If you
account
click on the
Shivaji
button.
Nampally. Good news, your passwords are review your good news, your passwords are stored safely. Review got it. Thanks button. Enter Google. Google link. Google
So
offer.
then we
I'm
have,
feeling lucky, but Google search by voice button. Edit search. Getting Google graph. Google account. Google apps button. Google graphic.
there's a logo here.
Getting description. Graphic. Search. Edit combo.
Then we have search.
Search by voice button. Google search
We
button.
can also search by voice.
I'm feeling Google search button.
Google search.
I'm feeling lucky, but
I'm feeling lucky button.
Google offer in colon.
So then next we have Google. There are links to the languages where we can change the Google page language to some of the regional languages, all those things.
Link.
So here we have
Link.
links.
Link. India. Link about. Link advertising. Google search button. I'm feeling lucky, but Google link.
So these are the
Settings.
basic things.
Link.
On the
settings button menu.
end of the page, we have a settings
button
button.
menu. Space menu. Set advanced search. To your data and search. Search history. Search help.
So
Send
here we
feedback.
can
Search
change some
settings. 1 of 6.
settings
Escape.
if we
Escape.
want,
Escape.
but now we are not going to use that
Terms
thing.
link.
So
Google.
first we'll go for search.
Search edit combo. Space. Search read.
Now let's search for weather. Or else we'll search for time.
T I M E space I N I escape leave clear button to act space search edit combo to set the value T I M E space I N space U S A enter time and use dash Google's heading level 1 excessive search modes heading level 1 accessibility excessive search modes search results heading local time heading level 2 heading level 3 12:18 p.m. Wednesday 12 May 2021 left parent GMT dash 4 right parent time in Washington DC USA.
So okay.
Time in
Now I have searched for time in USA. So
search edit combo.
if we want to check the results, we can browse by headings. So certainly we can use the shortcut key, which is H for headings, to navigate only on headings.
Search modes heading level 1. Search results heading level 1. Local time heading level 2.
So local time
Heading level 3 12:18 p.m.
12:18 p.m. The time is 12:18 p.m.
Wednesday 12 May 2021 left parent GMT dash 4 right parent.
So this is the date.
Time in Washington DC USA.
This is the place.
11:18 a.m. Chicago left parent GMT dash 5 right parent.
This is in other place.
10:18 a.m.
So
11 time in Washington.
yeah, I think you people know what is meant by GMT. So there are different time zones. So we can see the time of all the time zones here.
10:18 a.m. Denver left parent GMT dash 6 right parent. 9:18 a.m. Phoenix left parent GMT dash 7 right parent. 9:18 a.m. Los Angeles left parent GMT dash 7 right parent. 8:18 a.m. Anchorage left parent GMT dash 8 right parent. 6:18 a.m. Honolulu left parent GMT dash 10 right parent.
For us it is plus, here it is minus.
Feedback button.
So that's all. These are the time zones
6:18
available
a.m.
here. So we can see all the times of all the time zones available in that country.
Feedback heading level 2 people also ask. Web results heading level 2.
Next we have some more web links to other pages.
Time in the United States dash time and date heading level 3 link. Current local time in New York, USA heading level 3 link. Link https://www.timeanddate.com single right pointing angle quotation mark dot time in the United States now link https.
Okay,
time.
well, so now I'll explain what is, like, how the page is displayed. So when we understand that, we'll be able to understand how we can navigate on the page. So generally when we search on the Google page, every result is shown as a heading. There will be a heading, then there will be a link, then we have a short description of that page. So the heading shows what is the title of the page and what, then we have the link of that website, the full URL of the page. Then we have a button. Then we have a short description.
Access search result local time heading level 2. 12:18 p.m. heading level 3. People also ask heading level 2. Web results heading level 2.
So if I go to now web results. So on the top, this
Time and use attached. Access search results heading left. Search modes heading. Search results heading. Search modes.
This is search mode. This is just heading. There's no link. The results will be heading plus link. It's not only heading. It is also a link. Heading and link.
Accessible search modes heading level 1.
These are only headings, which means these are of Google's tools.
Navigation region heading level 1 search modes.
Search modes. So what is the modes? What are the modes available in Google search?
Navigation heading description all current page link graphic 1 trillion.
So we have here images, maps, news, all those things will be there. So depending on what is selected, the search results will be available. So now it is
all current heading all current page.
All current page.
Search results heading level 1.
Search results.
Heading level 2 local time.
Then there's a heading with local time. So this is purely from Google.
Heading level 3 Wednesday 12 time and 11:18 a.m. People also ask heading level 12 Wednesday time and 11 10 9 9 8 8 18 6 18 feed heading level 2 people also ask.
So this
feed 6:18 a.m. Honolulu left.
Up to this place, it is the time shown from Google source.
People also ask heading web results.
So people also ask their suggestions, which the people ask or search on the Google page.
What time in USA just now?
The questions, frequently asked questions. We can
heading
see here.
What time in USA just now? Button collapsed.
What time in USA?
Is America 5 hours ahead? Button collapsed. What are the 6 time zones in the USA? Button. What country is 24 hours behind the USA? Button. Feedback button.
So these are the generally asked or searched questions on Google from many people. That's why they are showing the suggestion.
Web results heading level
2. Next we have web results. So these are the actual results to our search, and this will take you to other website. These are not of Google but of other websites. Now if I press down arrow here,
heading level 3 link time in the United States dash time and date.
Time in United States, time and date. This is the page title.
Link https://www.timeanddate.com single right pointing angle quotation mark dot single right pointing angle quotation mark world clock. So
this is the web page link.
Result options button menu collapse menu.
So this is a button with some options.
United States time now. USA time zones and time zone map with current time in each state.
This is the short description of the page.
Link New York. Dot. Link time zone.
There are some links below that.
Dot.
Which links to the same website.
Link USA George. Dot. Link US. Dot. Link US heading. Link HT heading level 3 link current.
Next result.
Link US heading level 3 link current local time in New York, USA.
Okay, this is the other search result.
Link https://www.timeanddate.com single right pointing angle quotation mark dot single right pointing angle quotation mark world clock single right pointing angle quotation mark USA.
So this is a link for that page.
Result options button menu collapse menu.
Then button.
Current local time in USA and dash New York and dash New York. Get New York's weather and area codes. Time zone and DST. Explore New York's sunrise and sunset. Dot.
This is the description of that page. The text, small text from that page. So this way we can understand the search results on the Google page.
Time and use.
All right. Now let's see how we can use headings list here. So I'll press insert F6.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Accessibility links : 1 of 21.
So this is one heading.
Search modes : 1 2 of 21.
Search modes. There is one more heading.
Search results : 1 3 of 21.
Then search results.
Local time : 2 4 of 21.
Local time.
12:18 p.m. : 3 5 of 21.
12:18. This is highlighted because this is the one which we are searched for.
People also ask : 2 6 of 21. Web results : 2 7 of 21. Time in the United States dash time and date colon 3, 8 of 20. Current local time in New York, USA colon 3, 9 of 21. Time in the United States now colon 3, 10 of 21.
This way, we can see all the headings available in that page. Now, in case if I want to
Current local time in New York, USA colon 3, 9 of 21.
go to this result, if I want to open,
Move the heading button to activate.
I can press tab. There are options here. We can click on move to heading.
Cancel button to activate. Move the heading button to activate. Press space bar. Alt plus M. Alt. Headings list view. Current.
Or else we can directly press enter here.
Enter. Heading level 3 link current link H. Heading level 3 link current local time in New York, USA.
So I'm on that heading. Now if I press enter.
Enter. Current local time. Navigation.
The page
has my current.
Will be opened. So if we want to check the address.
Address is https://www.timeanddate.com/worldclock/.
This is website timeanddate.com.
Current local time in New York. Current link navigation region share button. Search button. List of link home. Link world clock. Current local time in New York, USA. Heading level 1. Search for city or place. Blank. Escape. Search button navigation. Weather heading level 16 degrees Celsius. Sunny. 19/8 degrees Celsius. Table with 3 through 13 increasing 21 through 14. So
this way after opening the page, we can use the arrow keys or we can use our navigation keys to check what is on the page.
Time zone heading level 2 link. EDT left parent Eastern Daylight Time right parent. UTC/GMT -4 hours. EDUTC/GMT -4 hours.
So
EDUTC/GMT -4 hours. Link graphic daylight heading level 2 link DST started. 14 March 2021. DST ends heading level 2 link. 7 Nov 2021.
So this way we are able to check on that page. Now let's go home again.
Alt home. Toolbar. Address and search bar edit. Address.
Oh.
Back. Google.com/search. Title is time and use --Google search --Google Chrome. Top of 5.
So if we go to links list, what happens?
This feature is only available from within a virtual document. HTTP escape. Time and use --Google link accessibility help. Links list dialog. Links list view. Accessibility help. 2 of 6. Accessibility feedback. Google 4. 1616. Maps. 162. Time in the New York 10. Time zone. USA. Georgia. USA. California. Current local time in New York. USA. 8. USA. California. Sunnyvale. USA. Time zone 11 of New York 10 of. Time in the United States dash time and date https://www.timeanddate.com single right pointing at 16208. Maps 7 of 1. Time in the United States dash time zone. Day weather 7. International dialing codes 8. Time in USA and India. Time in New York. Time in California. Time in USA now. Time in USA Texas. Local time in the United States right now dash world clock HTTP. So this way we can see all the links from that page. Same way we can press enter to open the link, or else if we want to just move to that link, move the link button to activate. We can press tab, then we have the option move to link. We can click on that. Activate link. If you press enter on that any link, it will be opened. The link will be open. You should remember this. And also here cancel. There is an option to filter the links. Sort links in tab order radio button check. How you want to sort the links? Tab order. It means how it is arranged on the page. Sort links alphabetically radio button check. We can also sort them alphabetically from A to Z. Sort links in tab order radio. So I want it in to be in tab order. It means the arranged order of the page only. So it no need to change this. Then next we have option. Display all links radio button. Which links you want to be displayed in the list box. Display visited links only radio button checked. Visit all links. Display visited links. Display unvisited links. Unvisited links. Display all links radio. So what is meant by visited links and unvisited links? It is nothing. Just visited means which we have opened from our computer. Our computer, like our browser, remembers the opened links. So when we reach that link next time, it will say that is a visited link. If you have never opened any other link, and it's a new one which you are if it is a new one which you are opening, then it is called as
unvisited link.
Display unvisited links radio button checked. Display all links radio. Display visited links only.
Okay, if I want to see only visited links here, I'm selecting this option. Now
links list view New York 1 of 2 to move current local time in New York USA https://www.timeandate.com single right point.
So this is a visited link for me because just now I have opened it, right? So whenever I search for this time in USA, if this link is displayed, it will be a visited link for me. So this is
display
now only 2 links are shown here.
Current New York
only
1 of 2.
2.
List view links list view New York 1 of 2 to move to
1 of 2. So there's only 2 links here.
Display visit.
So now if I want to change this option, I will press Shift Tab. Then I'll
display
press
unvisited links radio button checked.
Down arrow.
Display unvisited links radio. Links list view time in the United States time and date https.
Now I can see
162 time in the United
unvisited links. So let's see how many.
List view links list view time in the United States time and date https://www.timeandate.com single right point and angle quotation mark single right point and angle quotation mark world clock 9 of 62 to move to item.
There are 62 links here.
Skip the main content 1. Display unvisited links radio button check. Display all links radio button. Links list view. List view links list view. Skip the main content 1 of 64 to move to.
There are 64 now because I have selected all. So this way we can check the links list, and if you want to open that link, press enter, or else press tab and click on move to the link. But generally what we do is we use headings only to check the Google search results, which will be easy to us actually. So every search result is displayed as a heading. So if we check with the navigation key H, that will be enough for us.
Search modes heading level 1. Search local time heading level.
So
time menu.
This is the thing you can do in Google search.
Search edit cost space search region.
Okay, now
land.
If anybody have doubts, you can please raise your hand.
Escape virtual. Running new desktop button to act. Search escape. Escape. Space speech on demand. Title is star untitled.
Yeah, anybody has, please raise your hand. So sir will answer you as a matter of your convenient. So please, can you raise your hand?
Controls.
Yeah.
Mute. Escape.
I already made. Yes. Pallavi, yes, madam. Yes, you raised your hand. Please, can you just unmute yourself? Yes, madam.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Sir, I have one question. While shifting to one heading to another, you are pressing a down arrow or a tab key?
I said it's H. When we are shifting from one heading to other heading directly, we need to use H only. Yeah.
Only H we have to press.
If you want to go to previous heading, then we add shift.
Okay, no need to press down or tab arrow, na? Okay.
If you want to see, when you reach a heading, if you want to see what is under the heading, there's a link, there's a button, and there's a short description of the page, right? If you want to check that, then you should use down arrow.
Okay, got it. And sir, another question. While when I started learning internet, now there is a focus mode and edit mode. So
Yeah.
how to jump in that, or what will be the setting for that? Means talking software. What will be the setting for that?
Yeah,
Means
focus
directly it
mode.
should be always focus mode or edit mode.
See, in JAWS we have it's called as forms mode and virtual mode. Okay, so when we say edit mode, that is called as forms mode on off. That's all what we say. So hey, wait, Rangsami,
Yeah.
wait. Okay, so what happens is when you want to search, there's a search
Okay.
edit box, right?
Yes.
That is when you want to edit or else type in the box, we should activate the forms mode. Means you will hear a sound indicating that the forms mode is activated. Then only you can type in that edit box. If not, you will be able to only navigate on the page.
Okay.
So the thing is, when we are using screen readers, what happens is, if we want to type into the page, or else if we want to change any control, like there's a radio
Okay.
button, checkbox, there's a combo box, you want to select the option, or if there is a edit box where you want to type. If you want to do such type of actions, what happens is we need to activate forms mode if we are using JAWS, or else
Okay.
edit mode if you are using NVDA. We say it edit mode for NVDA. So when we activate that, we hear a sound also to indicate that we will be able to type or select the option. So with that, we can understand. If you press escape, that will be deactivated, and you can generally browse by using arrow keys or heading shortcut keys. When you are typing, you will not be able to use any shortcut. You will not be able to use that shortcuts, because you will be able to only type in that specific box. If you are typing in search box, if you are pressing H to go to heading, what happens is only H will be typed in the search box.
Yes.
You will not be able to navigate by headings. So if you turn off that forms mode by pressing escape, if you are using JAWS, then you will hear a sound indicating the forms mode is deactivated. Then if you use H, now you will be able to change by heading.
Okay, my screen reader is telling that it is deactivated or activated, right? Or
Yeah,
it will give
there is an indication.
indication. Okay, and what will be the default setting for screen reader? Means we should be always activated on the edit mode or focus mode. There is some default setting is there in a screen reader.
For JAWS, what happens is it's automatic actually. Whenever
Okay.
you encounter any edit box or any form, what
Okay.
happens is it automatically changes, and when you navigate out from there, it automatically changes to the virtual cursor, virtual PC cursor to browse. It is automatically done. But in case if you want to activate manually, for example, now you are navigating a page after searching on Google. You want to go to edit box directly to search for some different term now.
Yes.
Now you press E to directly focus on edit box.
Edit.
Yeah. Now when you do that way, it is not activated automatically. Now you need to press enter, then only it will get activated. So this happens. It's automatic actually. We can also change that settings, whether it should be automatic or it should be manual or it should be semi-automatic. There's an option to change those behaviors actually. It's
So
our
sir,
wish. Default is
so
automatic.
default should be automatic, means for our regular use also we have to keep automatic, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually sir, I am using NVDA, but after changing that I am not able to navigate properly. That's why.
Yeah,
Thank you sir.
when you are using NVIDIA, I think you need to press enter when you find any form field.
Yes.
Thank you, Pallavi. Servant has the raised hand. Please, can you just unmute yourself, Mr. Servant?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, got clear. Yeah,
Okay.
clear. Thank you.
Yeah, Servant, please, can you just unmute yourself? Yes.
Hello, sir. Are you able to
Yeah.
hear me?
Yes.
Please
Yes.
tell.
Sir, you told that we can change the navigation mode to automatic, semi-automatic, and manual.
Yeah,
How to
that is
change it up?
forms mode. Yeah, forms mode. We can change it from quick settings or settings center.
Where it will be available?
See, if you press insert +6, there you can see settings center. There you can search for forms mode and change it for any specific application, or you can also change the behavior of all apps by going to by selecting default for all applications. If you press Ctrl Shift D, default settings you can change. So whenever you open any browser, if there is any forms mode, it will be changed. Generally, what you do is better to change it only for specific application. If you are using Google Chrome, then focus on open Google Chrome, then press insert 6 or insert V for quick settings. So there you can search for forms, FORM. You can just type that. Then if you find an option forms mode, then there you can press space and it will be changed. Then click on OK by selecting which option you want. Then you can press on OK. That's all. It will be changed.
Sir, in all this, there is the automatic. Normally, we will be using automatic. As you told, if you are pressing enter means automatically it will go into that field. If you press tab means it will be going out of the forms mode to virtual mode.
Yeah.
But in case of manual or semi-automatic, what will be that is the thing? How to
whenever you
virtual mode?
Yeah, whenever you find any edit box, generally we hear, right, search box edit, we hear that. If you hear that, you should press enter on that. If you want to activate, you should press enter. If you want to deactivate, you can press escape, or else you can press PC cursor also to deactivate forms mode. That's the manual thing which you do.
Okay. That is the thing. In all the cases, what is the difference between automatic, semi-automatic, and manual? All the cases, as you told, if you are getting into the thing, we will be pressing enter means normally.
Automatic means automatically when you reach that edit box, the JAWS will go to forms mode on automatically. You'll hear a sound also.
Okay.
So if you keep it in manual, it will not. If you reach that by if you are pressing down arrow now, and if you reach search box, it will not automatically activate the forms mode. Just it will say search box edit. That's all. It will not. There will not be sound indicating that it is activated. The forms mode is activated, and you can type. There's a there's a sound to indicate that, right? That sound you will not be hearing when it is in manual mode.
Normally, we are facing such difficulties in filling up the Google Forms. While we filling up the Google Forms, it will not, as you told, it will not indicate that it is edit box or not. Just we want to press enter and we will be entering the details. For example, filling up any Google Form details. Normally, it will be in virtual mode only. It will be while navigating, it will be moving from next controls only.
Yeah, what we should do is we should press tab. Actually, if you are filling a form, generally we should use tab to go to the next form field. If you are not able to navigate with the tab, then we should use arrow keys.
Actually, yes, tell me, sir.
Yeah, actually, that is the way how we fill the forms. But generally, I have also used Google Form, but I did not find any difficulty.
No, it's not like in search and all, as you told, automatically it will turn into forms mode. But in Google Forms, it will not turn. It will be in the navigation. As you told, it will be in the
virtual mode. Okay.
Sometimes if you press enter only, the forms will get. That is, it will be edit box will be get edited. That is, it will be in the turns to forms mode.
All right, we will just we'll see on that, and we'll try to take a class on that. Okay.
And on some cases in the bank website and all, Sometimes edit box and all, if you are filling also, if you press escape means whatever we are typing, it will be get escaped also. That is the thing. Whatever
Yes,
it will type,
yes,
it will
yes.
not be there.
True, true,
Yeah,
true.
that
Very
is a
good.
that is a problem of the website. Actually, there are many websites. There's a problem when we open the web. Sometimes it will go to search box
Yes.
directly. When the page is loaded, the cursor will be in search box.
Especially as I found difficulty in facing the Union Bank of India, that is there in the website. If you are typing anything, means if you press escape, whatever we are typing, it will get vanished. That is, the edit box will be empty only.
Okay.
We are facing some such difficulties in some cases.
Okay. What
That
we'll
is,
do is
edit box also, we are facing similar, different places, different situation we are facing.
yeah. So what we'll do is one day we'll just try to check on all the banks' website. Actually,
Yes,
we'll conduct a webinar on that.
yes, sir.
And we'll try to see how we can use internet banking of all the banks which are available. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
so that it will be maybe helpful to many people.
Surely, sir. Because as a VI person, we want to maintain our financial things. Means we want to maintain individually. That is the thing. Surely, it is mandatory for us to maintain that is the thing. Our financial, that is which bank we are having account, we want to maintain ourselves individually.
Actually, as I saw, Union Bank have it's small accessibility issues only. It's not like other websites.
It is better than others. I am using Citibank. It is 100% accessible. Next is Union Bank. It is comparatively less only. Other banks, for example, SBI and all, it is low, not SBI. Axis Bank and all, very low accessibility.
Oh God.
That's the thing. We are facing difficulties in several levels.
Yeah.
And Indian Bank also, as I told, whatever we are typing while doing fund transfer, whatever we are typing, it is not there at all.
Yes. Thank you, Sarwan. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Yes, it's okay. No problem. Yeah, it's okay. Yes. Any concern? Another person? Yeah, Pallavi, you raise the hand. So, can I just unmute yourself?
Pallavi again.
Yeah. I think no. Yeah. Anyone have a question, please? So, can raise your hand so that we will going to unmute you and we'll be going to have another.
Okay, now I'll tell you one more important thing of the web page. So we'll complete this session with that. Actually, one.
It's currently unmuted. Alt plus A.
Okay.
Title is meeting.
Now
Task switching. Time and use dash Google.
Okay, to use, as many of you have problem using this forms mode, I'll just tell you a small tip. If you want to list out all the forms, like if you want to
virtual HTML articles, anchors, block buttons, checkbox, control buttons list for.
So see now,
anchors list.
If I want to list specific items of the web page,
anchors list,
there's an option here. I'll tell you what is the option. Before that, let's see what things we can list out.
Anchors list 1 of 20, articles list 2, block quotes list 3 of, buttons list 4 of 21, checkboxes list 5
checkboxes list,
controls left parent selectable area, combo lists and 3 right parent list 6 of.
Okay, combo box, edit combo box, all those things.
Divisions list 7 of.
Divisions.
Edit boxes list 8 of
edit
21.
Boxes,
Form fields list 9 of.
Form fields.
Frames list 10 of 21.
Frames.
Graphics list 11. Headings list 12.
Headings,
links list 1.
links,
List items list.
list
List 15 of 21.
list,
Paragraphs list 16.
paragraphs,
Place markers 17
place
of.
marker,
Radio buttons list 18
radio
of.
buttons,
Regions list 19
regions,
of. Tables list 20
tables,
of 20. Tabs list 21 of 21.
Tabs. So these are the things we can list out. Now, if I want to list
Anchor.
only buttons,
B. Block quotes list. B. Buttons list. 4 of 10.
buttons,
Enter. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Select a button dialog. List 1, list view. Google Apps button 1 of 27. To move.
so there are 27 buttons here.
Google account. Search by voice button. Google search button. More button 5. Settings button. Tools buttons. Feedback button. What time in US is America 5 hours ahead? Button 10 of. What are the 6? What country? Feedback. Result options button. 5th home. Google Apps button 1.
Now,
B. Google. More button. Setting. Tools button. Feedback. More Google search by voice button. Google search by voice button 3 of 27. Enter. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
hello.
Edit combo. Search by voice button.
Okay. So now, this way I can list only buttons. If you are searching for any button, you can just list buttons like this. Or else if I'm searching for any edit box.
Virtual HTML edit boxes list 8 of enter. To activate, press enter. Select an edit box dialog. List 1, list view. Search edit combo 1 of 1. To move.
There is only one edit box here. So only that is the
enter. To activate, press enter. Search edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type.
So I'm in search edit box now.
Escape. Virtual.
So this way we can, if you want to create list of any specific item, you can use insert plus F3, then select which item, like for which item you want to create a list. After pressing insert F3, you will have many options there.
Virtual.
If you want to create a list item for buttons, select button.
B. Block quotes. B. Buttons list 4 of 20.
So the buttons list will be created. If I want to select paragraphs list,
P. Paragraphs list 60. Enter. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. No paragraphs were found.
this it says no paragraphs were found. For example, if I want to
time and use at search edit space.
Search about
blank.
Our country.
INDAI.
Okay.
IAD. DIA. Enter. Search edit combo title is India dash group getting the search results heading top stage. H. Escape virtual PC except search people also web results India dash Wikipedia visited heading level 3.
So I'll go to Wikipedia now.
Enter. India dash Wikipedia dash Google Chrome. From the title is India dash Wikipedia dash
So
Google
let's
Chrome
see
main region
if
level
we
2
can
heading
find any paragraph here.
Virtual HTML VP paragraphs list enter. Select a paragraph dialog. List 1 list view. India left parent India colon Barrett right parent. Officially the Republic of India left parent India colon Barrett got question mark Aradia right parent. Left bracket.
So
List view. List 1 list view. India left parent India colon Barrett right parent. Officially the Republic of India left parent India colon Barrett got. Modern humans arrived on the Indian subcontinent from Africa no later than 55,000 years ago. Left bracket 24 right bracket their long occupation initially in varying forms of isolation as hunter-gatherers has made the region highly diverse. Second only to Africa in human genetics 2 of 99.
there are 99 paragraphs here. So we can read paragraph by paragraph, or else we can go to that paragraph also if you press enter here.
In the early medieval era, Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and Zoroastrianism put down roots.
So this way, it's very easy to read a long web page. If you are, there's no need to, click, go to heading, then read paragraph. Then again, there will be some links. Then there will be a paragraph. If there is a page like that, you can just create a list like this and you can read all the paragraphs. So I think this will be very easy thing when we are reading any web page.
Escape.
So this way, this is also a small tip to read the web pages quickly. I think this will be useful to everybody. The shortcut key is, first you need to press insert F3 and then select for which item you want to create list. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts from anybody now? And one more thing. 1 second. If you want to create a list for all the forms field, any radio button, list box, button, edit box, all together, there will be a list. If we want to do that, you can also do it by pressing insert F5. When you press insert F5, all the forms will be in a list. From there, you can press enter to go to that edit box, or you can activate the button. You can go to the, radio button, all those things. You can also do that. If you want to individually select any specific item to be a list, if you want to say, if you want to create list for only buttons, then you can select from here. Generally, what we have for headings and links, we have shortcut keys, right? To create a list only containing headings, and we can also create a list containing links. Similar way, you can also select for other items from this insert F3. Yeah, now we can go for doubts.
Escape. Meeting controls to move to an item. Alt S. Desk.
Yeah, anybody, any doubts?
Hello.
Yeah, please tell.
Shivaji sir, namaskar.
Yeah.
Sir, actually I have two doubts. The first is like in JAWS there is a feature of this virtual PC cursor.
Yeah.
Whenever we are going into onto a web page, like if I am using
Yeah.
YouTube,
Yeah, web page
so
or
automatically
PDF,
this
called as virtual PC cursor. Yeah.
yes. So sir, in while I was surfing on this YouTube, so automatically it like pressing E and then pressing space or enter, it automatically activates the edit button, and then I can, if I'm pressing R or B or these shortcuts, in like if I'm pressing R, then after 2 or 3 times I move to the seek slider.
Yeah.
Now all those things, and if I deactivate this with insert Z,
Okay.
so then I have to do tap. What is the actually it's a bit confusing for me. Actually I know how to use, but what is the best way to use to use with virtual PC cursor, or to use without virtual PC cursor a website? What's the difference between both those things?
Yeah, just a minute, I'll tell you. See, when we are using virtual PC cursor, what happens is the document, we are not interacting directly with the web application. What happening is there's a JAWS specific cursor in between, which allow us to check what is on the web page. If you deactivate virtual cursor by pressing insert Z, then it will be, see, going to the PC cursor, where we can only navigate by pressing tab, because the keyboard cursor moves, right? So when keyboard cursor moves, we'll be able to navigate only on links or edit boxes, such things. We'll not be able to clearly read the web page. That's why for web pages and PDF files, JAWS uses virtual PC cursor to let us read everything on the page. And one more thing, one second. What happens is, now YouTube has its own shortcut keys. Does anybody know that? Do you know that?
Sir, shortcut is R and all those
No,
things. Nah, like
no.
K for F for full
Ah,
screen, and
yes.
K for play and stop.
Yes, you're right.
And
If you want
so
to use such shortcut keys, it means instead of passing the shortcut keys relating to JAWS, if you want to pass the shortcut keys directly to the application when you press keyboard, you can turn off the virtual PC cursor by pressing insert Z. Then you can use K. If you press K, it will be paused. If you press K again, it will be played. But if you are using virtual PC cursor, then you should use JAWS shortcut keys. Like if you want to go to play button, then you need to press B to reach that button, then press enter or space to activate that. But when you turn off the virtual PC cursor, you are able to directly interact with the application instead of JAWS, right? So this is the difference which happens there.
sir, so this also works with NVDA, because I tried it with NVDA, but this was not working with NVDA.
Yeah, actually, for JAWS it works. NVIDIA, even I also don't. I have never tried it, but for JAWS it works actually. If you want that interact directly with the application by using application shortcut keys, you can use like you can turn off the virtual PC cursor. If you don't want to interact, if you want to use full features of accessibility, it means not accessibility, full features of JAWS to read the web page, then you can use virtual PC cursor. That's a difference. But it works
Acha,
for
okay.
Gmail also actually. For Gmail also there are such shortcut keys in
Like
standard
X
view.
to for the X for this checkboxes.
Selection, yeah, selection. If you press
Yes,
X,
yes,
then
yes.
the mail will be selected. All those things. There are many things like that. I think many people does not use standard view, but it's very accessible now.
Acha, the standard view also, na sir?
Yeah. That's in this shortcut keys will work only in standard view. If we are using basic HTML, then if you turn off virtual PC, then it's no use.
Okay. So, and my second doubt is that like if I'm using I'm surfing on a website, and
Okay.
if I click on like I opened a link, and then I get into something. So at that time now, if I want to just switch onto an other page, like doing Control tab or Shift
Okay.
tab, or like if there are three tabs open in a Google Chrome, and if I want to switch, so at some time now I need to just close the tab like Control W, then I can move to the second or third tab. So is there any way to do it easily?
Yeah, you can press Control Tab, right? It's not working. Control Tab, or you can use
So
Control Page Down also. Control Page Down, Page Up. That also works actually.
Acha, so sir, but at times now there are some links, like if I get into this now, some other page opens, and if I want to just try to just move to the earlier page, it is not possible to do that. So in that case I have to do the Control W and close the current window.
Oh. In fact, I have never experienced such, but what I know is we can use Shift Tab to change the tabs. Oh, sorry, not Shift Tab. Uh, Control Tab or Control Shift Tab to go to previous tab. We can use that actually. So we'll be able to change actually. Sometimes if it is opened in new window, then we need to use Alt Tab. If any tab is opened in new window, then we need to use Alt Tab. If it is not, if it is open, new tab is opened in the same window, then we can use Control Tab or Shift Control Tab.
Control tab. And if you want to type the new website, hit Control T. Control T, just type the website name. If not,
we can open new tab in a new window, or else we can open new tab in same window. There are two things. If it is in same window, we can change the tabs. But if it is different window and there is only one tab open there, if you use Shift tab, you will not be able to come to the previous window actually. Then first you need to use Alt tab once, then you'll go to previous window. Then there you can change between the tabs. See, we can use multiple windows, right? Chrome also. We can use multiple windows and multiple tabs. That means multiple sessions we can open. Google Chrome can be opened 3-4 times also. And in that we can open 10-15 tabs also. There's no problem. So it depends on how it is open. Sometimes some links opens in new window. So in that case, we need to switch by pressing Alt Tab first, or else we need to close that. That's the thing.
Opening the new tab is Control T, as Ranga sir was telling.
Yeah, if you want to open new window, I think it's I don't remember the shortcut.
Oh, if you want to open a new tab, press Control Tab. Then you type the URL, whichever you want. Yes. Sir, what you raise that, just
yeah, if you can press Control N for new window, Chrome window.
And sir, my last question is like if I have added some extensions like dark reader, I'm a low vision, so in that perspective I'm asking, if I have added a extension, So how to because tabbing through the Google Chrome, it's not possible to get to that extension part, like Dark Reader or something like Grammarly. If I've added that extensions to my Google that main page, so how to move on that and how to use that?
You
If
can use
it's
F6 to change between the, web, this thing, the parts of the web page.
acha, acha.
See,
Okay,
once
okay,
if you press, you'll reach near the address bar. If you press once again, then you'll see the buttons, right? Close button, the open tabs, new tab. So
okay,
all these things will be available there. And once
okay,
again, if you press F6, you can see the web page, like what is in the web page, that content you will be able to see. Such way you can change between the applications, what to say, areas.
Yes. Correct.
okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
All right.
Yes. Thank you, Anurag. Yes,
Okay.
Saravanan, please can you raise that, please?
No,
Just
on,
if you have any
on,
concern, please
yeah,
talk about
only
1 minute.
small
Yeah.
thing only.
Hmm.
Normally in web pages, the date time picker will be available next most of the websites. For example, in the
Yeah,
banking
yeah.
usage, it will come under which control? That is, as you told, anchors, list, headings, that we blah blah something.
Actually, what happens is dates are shown in as links, and
Oh,
month and year will be sometimes show. Month will be shown as combo box.
Combo box.
Sometimes what happens is it's shown as tree view. So it depends. Many times we see combo boxes only. So when such cases occur, what we should do is first we need to select year, then month, then we should click on the link for the date. From 1 to 30, the links will be available. We should click the link. So that is the order actually. First, we should not select the date directly. You will not be able to do that. First year, then month, then date. So what happens is, if it is combo box, all right, we can do it. But if it is a the tree view such type of thing, on the top and bottom there will be next, previous will be away. It's not link. It's not. It will not say anything. Just it's JAWS will report like next, previous. That's all. It will not say clickable. It will not say link button. Nothing will be there. But we should click on that. We should, if we press enter on that, there the list changes actually. Such way we can do it.
That is the thing. Most of the places, that is the thing. The date selection will be it will be quick. It is some time we have to do work around it.
Yeah, sometimes sometimes what happens, we will not be able to select even.
Yeah, sure.
That also there is.
Normally, it will be like an edit box followed by some buttons will be there. If you click the button, the date time picker will be opening.
Opening, it will be, and it will be on the bottom, that too, of
that
the page.
For visual persons, it is not a matter. They will use the mouse and click it, that here and there, then they will do it. But for a visually impaired person, it is quite it is not a simple thing. It is a trickiest job for us. How to manage
it actually, when you click the edit box, what happens is generally it will open below the form. It means at the end of the page, the calendar will be available for us. For them, it shows on the right side. But for us, it will be, we should go to bottom of the page. Then we can see there.
Using what is that? Using review mode, we have to go there and we have to select it.
Or else we can also go to this forms mode and we can try once. But what happens is sometimes they will disappear. Sometimes actually, that's the problem.
That is the thing. Using tab also, it's not work.
No. Using tab will never work. If you try to go to other edit box, automatically the date picker again disappears.
Sure.
That's the problem.
Using JAWS cursors, we have to go there and we have.
You should deactivate the forms mode. See, when you press enter in edit box of date, the date picker will be popping up, right? Then deactivate the forms mode. by pressing escape or what's your the PC cursor. You can press PC cursor, numpad plus.
Yes.
You can do that. Then you can navigate on the. You can just press Control End. You'll go to bottom of the page. There you can see whether it's available or not.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Yes, we are going to do more. Thank you, Shivaji sir. Thanks a lot. Being lot of class teachers. Thank you so much. So I hope people, if we have a tomorrow one more session will be meet up. Will be tomorrow the same time, same link. So please be join us again tomorrow 9:30. So hardly congratulate you, Shivaji sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot
Thank
once
you,
again.
Ranaswamy.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
somebody. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes,
so
thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
All
you.
right. I
Thank you.
think
Stay safe.
I'm
Thank
clear
you,
to
Ranga, sir.
everybody.
Thank
I think I'm clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Clear.
Thank you, everyone. Stay
Thank you,
safe.
sir. Good
Stay
night.
productive.
Yeah.
Stay safe. Stay productive.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Stay safe.
good
Take
night.
care.